Gold as safe investments for seniors. Planning finances in later life is about stability, income protection, and peace of mind. Gold as safe investments for seniors has become a popular topic because gold offers a simple way to protect wealth from inflation and market uncertainty. Its long history and steady value make it appealing for retirees who want lower risk. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key points. 1. Why gold is trusted. Gold has been used for centuries as a store of value. Unlike paper money, it cannot be printed or easily devalued, which helps seniors preserve purchasing power over time. 2. Protection against inflation. Inflation reduces the value of cash savings. Gold often holds or increases its value when inflation rises, making it a useful hedge for seniors on fixed incomes. 3. Diversification benefits. Adding gold to a portfolio can reduce overall risk. Gold usually behaves differently from stocks and bonds, helping balance losses during market downturns. 4. Tangible and secure asset. Many seniors appreciate that gold is a physical asset. Owning gold coins or bars provides a sense of security compared to purely digital or paper investments. Different ways to invest in gold. Seniors can choose from several options: physical gold, coins and bars. Gold ETFs for easy trading. Gold mining stocks for potential growth. Each option offers different levels of risk and convenience. Risks to consider. Gold prices can still fluctuate in the short term. Physical gold also requires secure storage and insurance, which adds extra cost. Smart allocation strategy. Experts often suggest allocating a small portion, 5 to 15%, of a portfolio to gold. This helps balance safety and growth without overexposure. Gold as safe investments for seniors remains a practical strategy for those seeking stability and protection in retirement. While it should not replace all other investments, gold can play an important role in a diversified portfolio, helping seniors maintain financial security and confidence in their golden years. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.